Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Rupa. I'm 18 years old and 5 foot 2 inch tall. I was born and brought up in Visakhapatnam. Currently, I'm doing my internship at HCL Technologies. I consider myself as a passionate, calm, and reserved person. I believe that success and failure isn't in our hands, but striving to achieve something is. So I'm here not to regret that I missed an opportunity to explore myself. Thank you.
Very warm greetings to esteemed judges and all the contestants. I wish you all the very best. I am Bornita Ganguly and I am currently in my final year of my BTech pursuing computer science and engineering. I also happen to work as a business solution analyst at Deloitte. I am 20 years old. I stand 5 feet 3 inches tall. And to be talking something about myself, I am a person who absolutely loves taking volunteering initiatives, different leadership roles. I've been very active participant in different student chapters, organizations, NGOs and whatnot. Right. Miss Vizag happens to be a platform for me to be able to attain exposure on levels which is beyond modeling and beauty pageant. That is the reason why I am here, and I'm looking forward to have a wonderful time. And thank you so much for giving us the platform. I'm looking forward.
Good morning, one and all. My name is Sahiti, and I am from City of Destiny, Visakhapatnam. And I'm 21 years old, and my height is 5 feet 5 inches. And I'm currently working in TCS. I love dancing, although I'm not a trained dancer. It is which I enjoy doing, and my parents always want me to be a software engineer, so I fulfill the dreams, and now I want to follow my passion.
It's already afternoon. A very good afternoon to one and all present here. I'm CH Nanda Devi and I'm from City of Destiny, that is Vizag. Today I'm here to introduce myself, which is really very important. And here I have been an NCC cadet, I have been into Scouts and Guides, I have been a good dancer, I have been into dancing, painting and everything else. And this is really which is very out of the box, which I wanted to give a try. I really don't regret being here because I never missed an opportunity to prove myself and to at least learn things. I'm seriously here to just learn how this is gonna happen and get a good and better me to see myself further. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Harshini and I'm also from Vizag. So I've completed my masters in fashion retailing and currently I'm running my own business which is of handmade crochet products. I really, the thought of sustainable fashion is very interesting to me because that is something not a lot of people know about, and I feel people should really look into that and get into that. So I see this platform to really give me that exposure where I can find and explore my new self. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Khushbu. I'm 21 years old and I'm currently pursuing BTech in electronic communication engineering from Dr. Lankapalli Bulaya College, and I'm the ex-NCC cadet, and my hobbies are sailing, horse riding, swimming, dancing, and I came here to present myself in this platform. By this platform we can explore ourselves in different, we can present our talent here, and by this it is useful for give the confidence to us, and all the best to the other candidate. Thank you.
Hi and good afternoon. My name is Harshita. I'm doing third year BTech in Lankapalli Bulaya College, and I'm here to prove myself, like just give a trial on this, and thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Charishma. I am currently pursuing my first year in Bachelor of Fine Arts from Andhra University. I am a Bharatanatyam dancer. I've been dancing for almost 8 years now, and also have been learning Kuchipudi for 4 years and singing for again 4 years. And I think the Miss Vizag contest is a great opportunity for me to thrive and grow. I really love being on stage, and I think this is an environment which I can grow my confidence and be my best self.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. I'm Swapna. I'm 21 old. I'm 5'2". I'm doing fashion designing and currently staying here. I'm from Nellore. Single step to our stage. Thank you so much this opportunity, sir. Thank you for all.
This is Chandana from Vizag. I'm pursuing law graduate. I'm here today that as I don't want to miss this opportunity, and of course as a law student I'll be called as brainy, but brainy tag doesn't enough for me, so I'm craving for the beauty with brain tag. Thank you.
My name is Malika. I came from Vizag. My age is 22 and years old, and I want to explore myself to become a model. And that's it. Thank you.
Look at me. Smile. One more. Thank you. Okay.
This is Maulika. I'm from Vizag. From childhood, I want to become a model, and this is a great opportunity to get into my dreams. And I love spending time with my friends and cooking, sometimes dance.
Hello everybody, I'm Shivani. I am from Vizag. I'm 21 years old and I stand tall of 5 feet 3 inches. I'm currently pursuing final year of my bachelor's, majoring in electronics and communication from Andhra University. I have been always inclined towards cultural arts. I have learned Kuchipudi in my childhood, and I am a trained Hindustani classical vocalist. And apart from that, my hobbies include sketching, painting, playing ukulele, and also I love traveling. Singapore and Sikkim being one of my favorite destinations. Coming to sports, I'm not really a sports person, but then playing badminton and swimming are my interests. And I'm really glad to be a part of Miss Vizag 2021, and I wish all of you a very happy Women's Day in advance.
Hello one and all, my name is Meghna. I am from Visakhapatnam. Present, I am pursuing my BTech in Andhra University College of Engineering for Women. And coming to my hobbies, I am very much interested in acting and have acted in a film Uma Maheshwara Ugra Rupasya, which was released in the Netflix, and I am very much happy about it. And I have did a web series that is Thanks to All My Ex-Girlfriends, and that was in post-production. And coming to my hobbies, I'm very much interested in this type of contest, and today I'm standing before you, that's all because of my mother.
Hello everyone, my name is Kirtana and I'm from Vizag. My age 21. I stood number 73, so my height 5 feet 4 inches, and I'm recently completed my BBA third year in Prison College. I came here not to show my beauty or my confidence level. It's because it's quarantine. Everyone came out from quarantine, and this is quarantine time. It's a best opportunity to show ourselves through this opportunity as well. Guys, just enjoy this process, have fun. It's okay to be nervous sometimes because it's your first time, right? Speaking here. It's okay.
Beautiful opportunity that I'm standing right here. It's a dream come true as for all of the girls here. A very warm afternoon to everyone. I'm Pooja, and I am from Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, and I'm currently pursuing third year in CSE from IIT ISM Dhanbad. And my hobbies include singing, dancing, and definitely modeling and creating all kinds of designing. So first I would like to say that if you ask my friends what kind of person I am, they will simply say she is a versatile person, because I am a Bharatanatyam dancer. I won a state interstate from college, but also I am a silver medal winner in street dance competition with my crew, and also my aim is to make Jarvis. Has anyone heard of Iron Man, I guess? So that's a dream, but also my dream is to work for Victoria's Secrets or the great brands that we have. So I'm a very versatile person, and I believe in myself, and I believe that working hard and working smart at the same time will get you the result that you want. Never be nervous. Every girl has a crown. It's already there with us, and never let it fall. That's my motto. So I wish that all of you have great experience here.
Smile. more. You come. Look at me. Smile. One more. Smile. Yeah, please, please. Smile, everyone. Oh, are open smile. Don't close your eyes. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Vizag.